athletes also on stage. Before we announce results, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for all the athletes who are competing. This wasn't an easy class. Wasn't an easy class. I feel confident right now. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Minister, are you ready? Mumbai, are you ready? मैंने day one में बोला था that you and me are all going to be a part of history and history in the making. One of our two Indian athletes is going to be competing at the Olympia stage in 2025. A very, very big moment. We all have our cameras out. I'm sure we're going to record this moment. Are you ready? Are you ready? आपको याद है पिछली बार जब दिल्ली में गया था तो कैसे हुआ था? तो बैठ के खड़े हो जाइए, come on. खड़े हो जाइए. ऐसा मौका तुम्हारा नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, India, are we ready? India, are we ready? Let's do it. एक काम करो, सुनिए. एक काम करो. ऐसे रिजल्ट के टाइम पे आपको याद है क्या? धक 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 होता था? नहीं, let's not pressure them anymore. Let's do it.